Vidyalaya Max online class. Today we are going to see the continuity of exercise 3.6, that is addition and subtraction of rational expressions. That means we have like denominators, so we are adding numerator directly. In case we have unlike denominators, here using LCM or cross multiplication. You know this concept, right? Now we see the sum. Pari needs 4 hours to complete a work. His friend Ivan needs 6 hours to complete the same work. How long will it take to complete the work together? That means, அப்படின்னா பாரியும் இவனும் சேர்ந்து ஒரு ஒர்க்கை எவ்வளோ நாளில் எவ்வளோ நேரத்தில் முடிப்பாங்கன்னு கேட்குறாங்க. That means, let the work done by Pari and Yuvan together be dx. அதாவது யுவனும் பாரி அண்ட் யுவன் ரெண்டு பேரும் சேர்ந்து அந்த வேலையை செய்யறதுக்கு என்ன எடுத்துக்கிறோம், x எடுத்துக்கிறோம். Let work done by Pari is equal to 1 by x, that is in 1 hour. So 1 hour எடுக்கிறப்போ 1 by x எடுக்கணும். Then work done by u1 is equal to 1 by 4 hours. Okay, then 1 by 6. Work done by u1 is equal to 1 by 6. Right. By the given condition, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6. So work done by Pari plus work done by u1, that is equal to 1 by x. That is given condition. Here using cross multiplication or LCM, because we have unlike denominator. So here I cross multiplication use பண்ணா 6 plus 4 divided by 6 4s are 24 is equal to 1 by x. Then 6 plus 4 10 divided by 24 is equal to 1 by x. Then 5 2s are 10, 12 2s are 24. Then 5 by 12 is equal to 1 by x. Then 5x is equal to 12. That is okay. Then x is equal to 12 divided by 5. That is equal to x is equal to 12 divided by 5. Then 2 5s are 10, remainder 2. Then 0.045 are 20, remainder 0. Then 2.4 hours. X is equal to 2.4 hours. That means work done by Pari and Yuvan together be 2.4 hours. That's all. Next one, 8th sum. Inia bought 50 kg of fruits consisting of apples and bananas. So இனியாங்கிறவங்க ஆப்பிள் and bananas வாங்குறாங்க. எவ்வளோனா 50 kgs. Listen now. Let x be the weight and p be the price of an apple, and let y be the weight and q be the price of a banana. So ரெண்டு சேர்த்து எவ்வளவு வாங்குறாங்கன்னா x plus y is equal to 50 kg. That is equation number 1. Right. Next one, she paid twice as much per kg for apples as she did for the banana. So என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னா, so p is equal to 2q ங்கிற கண்டிஷன் கொடுக்குறாங்க. எவ்வளோ பெய்ட் பண்றாங்க? இது p ங்கிறது price of apple, then q means price of banana. So p is equal to 2q. அதாவது ஆப்பிள் வாங்குறதுக்கு எவ்வளோ பெய்ட் பண்றாங்க? பனானாவோட 2 மடங்கு அமௌண்ட் பெய்ட் பண்றாங்க. That is given condition. Right. Next one, if Inia bought 1800 worth of apples, Inia எவ்வளோ வாங்குறாங்க? 1800 worth of apples. So ஆப்பிளோட weight x. Then cost p, px, sorry xp or p px. That is equation number 2. Right. Next one. And rupees 600 worth of bananas. So 600 worth of bananas. That is qy. That is equation number 3. Right. Then how many kgs of each fruit did she buy? அவங்க என்ன கேக்குறாங்கன்னா each fruit எவ்வளவு ஒவ்வொரு ஃப்ரூட்ஸ்லயும் எவ்வளவு kg வாங்கிருக்காங்கன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. So also given condition, also given p is equal to 2q. Substituting p is equal to 2q in 2. p is equal to 2q in 2. Then 2qx is equal to 1800. That means p is equal to 2q. Then q is equal to 1800 divided by 2x. 1 2 is 2, 9 2s are 18. That is 900. Then q is equal to 900 divided by x. Substituting q is equal to 900 divided by x in 3. Substituting q is equal to 900 divided by x. 900 divided by x is equal to 900 divided by x in 3. In 3. That is qy. That means 900 divided by x into y is equal to 600. 600. Then y is equal to 600 into the reciprocal எடுத்து multiply பண்ணலாமா? x divided by 900. 0 0 cancel. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Therefore y is equal to x divided by 2x divided by 3. Substituting y is equal to 2x divided by 3 in 1. That is x plus y is equal to 50. Then x plus 2x divided by 3 is equal to 50. That is, here we have unlike denominator. So here using cross multiplication. Then 3x plus 2x divided by 3 is equal to 50. Then 3x plus 2x, 5x divided by 3 is equal to 50. Then 5x is equal to 50 into 3. Then x is equal to 50 into 3 divided by 5. 1 5 is 5. 10 5s are 50. Therefore x is equal to 30 kg. Inia bought 30 kg of an apple. Right. Substituting x is equal to 30 in 1. X is equal to 30 in 1. Then x plus y. 30 plus y is equal to 50. Then y is equal to 50 minus 30. We get y is equal to 20 kg. Therefore, Inia bought 20 kg of a banana. Right. Now we see square root of polynomials. That means, for example, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, going on. All are square numbers. Then square root of 1 is equal to 1. Then square root of 4 is equal to 2. Then square root of 9 is equal to 3. Then square root of 6 is equal to 4. எப்படி find out பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா root of 2, for example 9. Root 9 is equal to 3. That means root 9 is equal to root of 3 into 3. That is equal to root of 3 square. Right. We know the concept 3 squared whole to the power 1 by 2. The square root whole to the power 1 by 2. That is equal to 3 to the power 2 into 1 by 2. Then 2 to cancel. We have 3. Therefore, square root of 9 is equal to 3. That's all. This is algebraic expression we find out பண்ண போறோம். Right. First solution, exercise 3.7. First solution, So find the square root of 400 x to the power 4 y to the power 12 into z to the power 16 divided by 100 into x to the power 8 into y to the power 4 into z to the power 4. We know the formula a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Right. Here using this the concept, that is root of 400 divided by 100 into x to the power 4 then x to the power 8. So the period of x to the power 4 into x to the power 4 into x to the power 4. So denominator easy into y to the power 8. That means y to the power 12 divided by y to the power 4, that is equal to y to the power 12 minus 4, that is equal to y to the power 8. Also z to the power 12, that means z to the power 16 divided by z to the power 4 is equal to z to the power 16 minus 4, that is equal to z to the power 12. Right. Here 400 and 100 are square numbers, so 40 divided by 10 modulus, 40 divided by 10 modulus. So x to the power 4, x to the power 4 cancel. Then y to the power 8, then y to the power 4. That means root of y to the power 8 is equal to y to the power 8 whole to the power 1 by 2. That is equal to y to the power 8 into 1 by 2. 1 to is 2, 4 to is 8. That is equal to y to the power 4. Into also is to the power 6 divided by x square. Right. 0 0 cancel. That is equal to 4 into 4 modulus y to the power 4 into z to the power 6 divided by x square. That's all. Next one, third subdivision. Then square root of, find the square root of, then 121 a plus b to the power 8 x plus y to the power 8 into b minus c whole to the power 8 divided by 81 into b minus c to the power 4 a minus b whole to the power 12 b minus c whole to the power 4. Also 121 and 81 are square numbers, so 11 divided by 9. Root of a plus b whole to the power 8 into x plus y whole to the power 8, then b minus c whole to the power 4, because b minus c whole to the power 8 divided by b minus c whole to the power 4. 8 minus 4 we get b minus c whole to the power 4 divided by b minus c whole to the power 4 into a minus b whole to the power 12. Next step, 11 divided by 9 square root of a plus b whole to the power 8 into x plus y whole to the power 8, then b minus c you have to cancel, divided by a minus b whole to the power 12, that is equal to 11 by 9 modulus a plus b whole to the power 4 into x plus y whole to the power 4 divided by a minus b whole to the power 6. That's all. Second subdivision, square root of 7x square plus 2 into root 14x plus 2 divided by x square minus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 16. First here applying the factorization method, that means 7x square plus 2 into root 14x plus 2, that is equal to. So numerator denominator factorize பண்ணனும். So factorize பண்றதுனா the product of the factors are 14, that means 7 2s are 14. Sum is 2 root 14. Here root 14 into root 14, that is equal to 14. 14 to the power 1 by 2 into 14 to the power 1 by 2, we get 14 to the power 1, that is equal to 14. Then root 14 plus root 14 to root 14 divided by 7x divided by 7x divided by 7x times root 14x root 14 divided by 7 is equal to root 7 into root 7 is equal to 7 into x. Right. Then root 7 into root 2 divided by root 7 into x. Root 14 is equal to root 7 into root 2. 7 2s are 14. So root 7 cancel. That is equal to root 7x plus root 2. Root 7x plus root 2. Another factor same. So root 7x plus root 2. That is equal to root 7x plus root 2 the whole square. Then denominator x square minus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 16. That is equal to a square. That means x square. A square. Last term b square. That is 1 by 4 the whole square. That is equal to 1 square 1. 4 square 16 minus 2ab 2 into here a is equal to x, b is equal to 1 by 4. Then 2a b 1 by 4. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. Answer 1 by 2 x correct on. So a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is equal to x minus 1 by 4 the whole square. That is 4x minus 1 divided by 4 the whole square. Right. The root of 7x square plus 2 root 14x plus 2 divided by x square minus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 16 is equal to root of root 7x plus root 7x plus root 2 the whole square divided by 4x minus 1 divided by 4 the whole square. That is equal to root 7x plus root 2 divided by 4x root of that is equal to, so root 7x plus root 2 divided by 1 whole square divided by 1 divided by 4x minus 1 divided by 4 the whole square. Here two fractions divided. So first fraction of root 7x plus root 2 the whole square divided by 1 into 4x minus 4 divided by 4x minus 1 the whole square. Right. That is equal to root 7x plus root 2 into 4 square divided by 4x minus 1 the whole square. So square root எடுக்கிறப்ப நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்னா 4 modulus the 4 square root எடுக்கிறப்ப 4 root 7x plus root 2 divided by 4x minus 1. That's all. Next second one. Find the square root of the following: 4x square plus 20x plus 25. That is formula set. That means root of 2x the whole square. That is 4x square plus 5 square. That is 25 plus 2ab. 2 into 2x into 5. 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20 into x 20x. Right. That is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then 2x plus 5 the whole square. We get modulus 2x plus 5. That's all. Next one, second solution. Square root of 9x square minus 24xy plus 30xz minus 40yz plus 25z square plus 16y square. That is a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. இந்த ஃபார்மேட்ல இருக்கு, ரைட் சைடு ஃபார்மேட்ல இருக்கு. சோ நம்ம லெஃப்ட் சைடா கன்வர்ட் பண்ணலாம். that is root of 9x square plus 16y square plus 16y square plus 25z square minus 24xy plus 30xz minus 40yz plus 30xz, that is plus ab plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca format. In the format, that is a square then b square then c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, right? That is equal to root of 3x the whole square, that is 9x square plus of 4y the whole square, that is 16y square plus 5z the whole square plus 2ab, 2 into 3x into 4y, that is 2ab plus 2bc 4y into 5z plus 2ca 5z into a 3x. Sir, okay sir, but inga minus irukku sir, right? So minus 4y the whole square minus 4y square பண்றப்ப plus 16y square, so minus 4y then plus into minus 2 3s are 6 4s are 24xy, right? And also plus into minus 2 4s are 8 5s are 40 into y is z, then 2 5s are 10 3s are 30 into x is z. So a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, that is equal to 3x plus of minus 4y plus 5z the whole square, a plus b plus c the whole square, that is equal to root of 3x minus 4y plus into minus plus 5z the whole square, that is equal to root of modulus 3x minus 4y plus 5z. That's all. From third subdivision, square root of 1 plus 1 by x to the power 6 plus 2 by x cube, that is equal to root of 1 by x to the power 6 plus 2 by x cube plus 1, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square format. Then root of 1 by x cube the whole square, that is 1 square 1 x cube to the power 6 x cube whole to the power 2, that is equal to x to the power 6, a square plus b square, that is 1 square 1 plus 2ab 2 into a 1 by x cube into b, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So இதோட வேல்யூ அப்படியே ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா 2 by x cube கரெக்ட்டா வந்துரும். So a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is equal to root of 1 by x cube plus 1 the whole square. Therefore square root of 1 plus 1 by x to the power 6 plus 2 by x cube is equal to modulus 1 by x cube plus 1. That's all.